Hi, and welcome to another episode of Dr. Dean Rakowski TV. And on this episode, I'm going to share with you, wait a moment, the new Spring 2022 FabFitFun box. Please make sure you subscribe so you never miss an episode. Welcome. So if you're just joining in, let me introduce myself. My name is Dr. Dean Rakowski. I'm a mom of two living in sunny South Florida. I provide mental health tips for parents, help them navigate the special education system, and share ways of how to obtain financial freedom from your home. And sometimes I do product reviews too, like this one. So on today's episode, we are going to be talking about FabFitFun. So I want to know, are you a subscriber? Have you ever gotten this box? Let me know. I've been a subscriber for about 6 years, I want to say, and I'm finally doing a video, which is kind of funny, but just so you know, this is a quarterly box. This is the Spring 2022 edition. So I'm going to go through the unboxing part. I actually am an annual subscriber, so I prepay in advance, and I get to customize my entire box. So I already know everything that's in here, but I'm going to share with you what's in here. So in every box, there is a FabFitFun magazine, and it just goes through everything that's in the box or what you could have gotten in the box, as well as like recipes, tips, all sorts of things that they talk to you about for the quarter. They put little things in here. So if you want $15 off your next box, I will put a code down below and you can get $15 off. Some FabFitFun stickers. And they always have like little wrapping in here. So we have a HelloFresh meal card for 17 free meals. We also have an ad for Bright Sellers, so you get like for like a wine club. Okay, so let's see what I had chosen for my box. So the first thing that I had chosen was this Winky Lux lip oil. See? It's in the stars. That's what it. So it's like a goldish clear lip oil with like a goldish glitter tint with stars. So pretty. Next thing I got is it's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin spray for your hair. Got these adorable Kate Spade earrings. I love Kate Spade earrings. I've always wanted a pair. So I'm so excited that I finally got these. Let's see, I'm going to show them to you. So just like that. An Ico set. So this is a shadow stick with sharpener. See that. There's also in here a Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush. I guess this is for exfoliating, creating radiant skin. Got some new hair clips. Love hair clips. And then this box. So let's see what's in here. This is a Bando acrylic stemless wine glasses. Okay, so it's a set of 4 wine glasses. Let's see. So they are plastic, really cute. So cute, they're like clear with glitter. Very cute. So I got 4 of those. And let's see what else is in here. And then there's one more item, which is the Lazy Susan. So I thought this would be really fun for like my dining room table or my kitchen table to put some stuff on. And let's see, I'm gonna open this. So really cool. Really nice. So I've subscribed to this box for several years. I find it fun, just as like it says, FabFitFun. There's also add-ons you can add on, and they have like secret sales throughout the year. So I like the box personally. So I just want to know your thoughts, what you got. If you are a subscriber, I'd love to see what you got in your box, what you chose. If you've got add-ons, what you got. And if you'd like a discount code, look below. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss an episode.